Here I'm painting an anatomical heart surrounded by roses using watercolors. I started wet on wet, clean water, then the yellow, and then I dropped in the reds while it was still damp. Here I'm adding blue because blue plus yellow makes a slight green color. And then it's dried enough near the heart that I did the artery. And now I'm starting the negative technique that I love to use, especially with watercolors, where you paint around whatever it is that you're painting instead of painting the roses and leaves, I'm painting around them. Here I'm adding in the red, and I paint around my highlights, leave it. I don't like to use thick gouache with my watercolors. I do the traditional techniques of leaving my lights. Now I'm painting the roses kind of in a stylized way. I wanted to keep them simple. You can spend all day painting roses, and that wasn't the point of my painting. Now I'm adding in purple for the shadows on the heart, and a little bit of details on the leaves. So you notice I went from I always used to tell my students the biggest backest to the smallest frontest. I started with the background and the biggest things, and I'm working my way to the smaller parts. You don't want to start with your details and have to work around them the whole time. They come last. All right, there it is.